Spice up your dwarf!
Welcome back to the Kieran Show. My name's Kieran, his name is Kieran, and today we are talking about short people once more. Did you enjoy our codex review? All three of you might have. Are you well?
Yeah, ready to spice up my dwarf.
Spice up your... Still sticking with that, huh? Okie dokie.
The intros are the only good bit of that video.
No, that's true. Yeah, well, if you've lasted this long, you're stronger than most.
I peaked when I wore a hat.
A bowl.
A bowl.
It was a bowl. I don't think it could be a hat if you try hard enough. We are talking about the Leagues of Votann. They've had a brand new range, a brand new combat patrol, and a brand new codex.
You say a new range, they've had the rest of the range.
The rest of the range, which is good.
Hope you like HQ units, because that's what you're going to get for the next 5 years.
This was really tough, and to be honest, I found out quite quickly when I was doing this how expensive the Leagues of Votann range is.
So do I need to renege slightly on my remarks in the codex army that they're not now a horde army? I don't think they're anywhere near as bad as they were.
It's
off the cuff of it.
I'll talk about it more in the video, but it's less about it being a horde army, but the price. Yeah, some of these minis are pricey.
Did you do the cool thing?
What's that?
Have you got 60 Cthonian Beserks in here?
Ah, no.
That come in boxes.
No.
Boxes of 5 and that are 40 quid.
That's it. I have a brain, so no. For the well-rounded Votann list, no, I haven't put 60 Berserkers in.
Oh!
There are Berserkers, but not 60.
600.
There we go. Starting strong with a K, it's Combat Patrol. Obviously, we've actually gone with 2. And let me explain. So in the Combat Patrol, you get a Ironkin Champion. So for 2 of those, it will cost you 140 points. You get 10 Hernkyn Warriors, so technically 20. So that would be 200 points. You also get 3 Buri Aegnirssen. They are 160 points for 6 in total. You've then got 5 Ironkin Hearthguard, which in total will be 270 points.
I can't comprehend why we have 2.
Why we have 2. So, the Hernkyn
2 of the old ones?
Yeah, we'll talk about that in a moment as well. The Hernkyn Warriors are going to be the backbone of the army for sure. Considering they only cost you 100 points for 10 of them, and they cost you the best part of 40 quid, that's gross.
So I understand the logic for the Combat Patrol for the Hernkyn Warriors.
Sure. But
it's the rest of it.
So with a Buri Aegnirssen, if you take it, it's like Eradicators, isn't it? So you could take 3, but if you took 6, it's kind of maximising on points and then also filling a slot.
I think
because 3 Buri Aegnirssen only cost you 80 points. Only 80. Yeah.
We're talking about the same things. The Ripley alien suit walker peoples. It's midgetised.
Midgetised. Good. Well, I mean, technically it's normal size for them, but yes. And then
hang on. So we'd have 6 Thunderkin.
Yep.
2 Ironkin Champions.
Yeah, that was the weird.
This is where it's falling over for me.
So it is and it isn't, because you've got Hernkyn Warriors, which are a £40 a box, Buri Aegnirssen, which are about 36 quid for 3 of them, and then you've got 5 effectively Terminators, which would be £40–45. By the time we've doubled up on all 3 of those, it's over £100. So you've got an Ironkin Champion to either have in here or just throw away. I don't care, do what you want. But yeah,
kill him and put him on a base.
Yeah, the Ironkin Champion can either you can stick him with multiple units.
So I dig this for the Hernkyn Warriors.
Yep.
The small dwarf troop people.
Cool.
And the Power Rangers.
Yep.
I dig it for that. I think it's a weird combat patrol. Normally in a combat patrol, to buy like 3 of them. 3 of them? To buy 2 of them, sorry. Normally, the 3 banger units and then a meh.
I mean, there are 3 banger units. It's Warriors, Thunderkin, and Hearthguard.
I mean, I think maybe I just don't like the Thunderkin. Maybe that's my beef.
Just wait, because there's still so much to come with this. And because the thing is, with the Combat Patrol, it's like a nice, well-rounded... Oh, yeah, strap in. Yeah, it's a nice, well-rounded list, group of units, sorry, because you've got your core units in your Warriors, but then also 2 units that are elite. The problem I had was that, both of these boxes don't clock in at 1,000 points. And then obviously, because the Combat Patrols were £100, you're spending 200. Are you ready to move on?
Yeah, I think you've sold me on the 2 now.
Good.
I think I just really liked the old Combat Patrol.
Sure. To be honest, because it was the launch box and the Combat Patrol, I was over it. I was so over it. But unfortunately, we did have to bring some other things back. So next up, it's characters. Do you like characters?
Only if they've been inside a Tyranid.
Oh, well, we'll get there. Uthar the Destined, or hi Carl, is first. So he costs you 95 points and £26. So Uthar the Destined is a pretty good character anyway.
Pow, Ryan Uthar.
Especially partnered with next on the list. But then if you didn't want to run a named character and you just wanted a high Carl instead and give loads of points for upgrades and stuff, you can absolutely do that. Be my guest. Do it.
I absolutely saw that eye roll you gave me then as well.
Oh yeah, good, because I wanted you to see it. Next up is Buri Aegnirssen, nice pronunciation, nailed it, is 110 points, obviously 15 more expensive than Uthar the Destined.
Paying for that Tyranid.
Oh, for sure, £26 as well. Yeah, respect the drip, Karen, he looks great. He crawls out of Tyranids, Boba Fett style, and then wears them, because fashion.
Is there a slight Yas Queen thing relevant?
Yeah. Are you going to say it?
No.
Oh, that's disappointing. Next up is the Memnyr Strategist. I was really unsure whether I should... I hope you zoom in on that. The Memnyr Strategist. I was really unsure whether to add this guy or not.
He's your favourite unit in the whole range.
He is, but he's 45 points for £24, which is gross. Absolutely.
I take it back. It's not Power Ryan Uthar, it's Power Ryan the Wallet.
Yeah, because I was like, oh, maybe I'll have him and the Crazy Science guy with some Steeljacks. But then, in addition to that, I've added just explicitly three Steeljacks because they're 90 points for £37. That's a theme in this army.
Go back again. Let's start with the Strategist.
Oh, yeah. So the Strategist is 45 points for £24.
And then the Steeljacks
is £90 for 37... No, wrong way. 90 points for £37. So you're spending nearly... Oh, yeah, £61, I think that is quick maths, for 135 points. Welcome to the Leagues of Votann. This is where my problems really began, because I was like, oh, cool characters, cool.
You know what it is? It's a tall order.
Great. So disappointed. We are in a bit of a pickle here because we have lots of points and
no money left.
And not a lot of money. I looked at things like Sagittars. They are 90 points for nearly £50. And I was like, I need some transports. So of course
Have you just put 3 Hekatons in it?
No, I put 2. So 2 Hekatonks in here will set you back 480 points. And £148. So finally we found some value after the combat patrol.
It's all that magma rails.
It is all the magma rails. So the nice thing is with the fortress is that you can add either your Rockir Thunderkin, your Hearthguard, or your Hearthkin warriors in here if you want to. I wanted to add in my list, if I was doing something, I don't know, that I wanted to maybe run, I'd probably put the Jaegers and the Capricuses and stuff, because I'm like, oh, these are sick. But again, they're so cheap and so expensive. Really, really disappointing.
It's like AdMech 2.0.
It's fun. I don't really want to tell you the end number. I ended on and with 2 Hekatonks in here as well. But yeah, Sagittars are just not where it's at, which is a real shame.
They're the older small tank, aren't they?
Yes, so they're your
the dune buggies.
Yeah, they're your transports.
Cool.
Next up, we've got 2 boxes of Hernkyn Pioneers. The bikers are back.
The bikers from space.
The bikers from space. So 6 bikers will set you back 160 points and £90.
Is anybody buying these though?
Rough.
Because
So this is where I was going to go. If you can still get hold of the old combat patrol box, buy one of the old and one of the new. Next up is the Cthonian Beserks. I said I'd put
60?
No, it's only 1. It's one group. It says 5 of them. So the Cthonian Beserks will set you back 100 points and £40. This is crazy, isn't it? There's not a lot of value here.
You know what? 40 quid and they don't even come with t-shirts.
I know. Just strapped, just vests. Just very sad. And then last but not least is the Cthonian Earthshakers. I couldn't not put them in here.
These are wicked.
These are wicked. These are 110 points for £35.50. Hello.
So these aren't...
Hello, value.
Yeah, that's what the value is.
Yeah, so I did find out you can't...
Value.
Yeah, it's a great time. But yeah, you obviously get 2 of these in the box, which is good. So...
How many Earthshakers? Just a 1 box?
Just a 1 box. Yeah. So let me go from the top. So in here we've got 2 Ironkin Champions, 20 Hearthkin Warriors, 6 Brockir Thunderkin, 10 Ironkin Hearthguard, Uthar the Destined, or hi Carl, Buri Aegnirssen, a Memnyr Strategist, 3 Steeljacks, 2 Fortresses, 6 Pioneers, 5 Beserks, 2 Earthshakers, and a Partridge and a Pear Tree / Codex and Data cards.
How many points?
1,960.
There's still points left over.
Yeah, so on top of that, it leaves you enough points for your strategist. If you want to flex up on some of the other units, then you obviously can do. If you want to give the Ironkin Champion, you've got 2 of them, you want to give them some enhancements, you can do that as well. Do you want to know?
I can tell by your face I don't want to know.
No. Do you want to know
Are we talking Krieg level?
Please bear in mind that I had to use 2, or I didn't have to, but in order to get the most bang for your buck here, I had to utilise 2 combat patrols and 2 Hekatonks.
Are we talking Krieg level here?
Give me a number.
670.
It's really annoying when you get it. £684 this costs.
What?
Yeah. Bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. So when we saw, with obviously the codex review and stuff, that they were going to have a day 1 points alteration, I was like, okay.
Most things went up there, didn't they?
So this in America, $1,099.50 in Disneyland Paris. It is €778.75. Do you want to know how much this costs in the land down under?
Okay, assume it starts with a 2.
$2,015. God, it's so horrible.
Can we go find out how much Krieg were?
This frickin' game. So for reference, Krieg is 786, and that was before a price hike. So
we haven't had a price hike since Krieg.
Oh, we haven't.
No.
Oh, okay. Well, then
they probably had points changes though, so it's probably more expensive now.
Yeah, true enough. So I mean, yeah, pretty grim. Pretty grim.
So, thoughts on the army as a whole?
It's such a shame because I really like them a lot, and I think the new book is certainly inviting, and I think the way that they play is really cool, and I think it's just really expensive. Just everything is so expensive.
Yeah, you got to construct additional pylons to be able to afford it.
Oh, it's just gross, man. And the combat patrol I think is really decent, and I think to double up on those certainly makes sense. But then after that, like that's still only like 750, 800 points. Like Capricuses, which I think are really cool. You're batting around like 100 points.
There's no Capricuses in here, was
there?
No.
The value is just so awful. Yeah, 2,000 points, man. Just brutal in this game now.
At least you can actually run 2,000 points and not have lots of the same thing.
Honestly, mate, I genuinely think if I made the Votann list I wanted to play, I think it would cost over £1,000. Yeah. And that includes at least 2 things of the t-shirt guys. It includes at least a box of Jaegers and 2 each of the Capricuses. Like
there ain't no way. That's 300 quid's worth though.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, because 2 things of
not for the same points though.
What do you mean not for the same points?
What would you take out? What would you replace?
So I wouldn't have 2 Hekatonks. I'd have 1 Hekatonk with 2 Sagittars. I'd have probably 3 or 4 Capricuses, 2 of each variant. Maybe even not. Maybe just 2 of the really pimped up ones, and not even have any Jaegers. I'd want at least 2 units of the Warriors. I still think 2 combat patrols makes sense. At least 2 of the Earthshakers, and then maybe 2 Beserks to like run behind, whatever. But even then, like you're looking probably north of £800, £900.
You're also forgetting it would actually be more like 1,500 because our idea for our Votann army is to have a mining guild. And we'll need like 500 quid's worth of Necromunda bits.
Well, maybe that's an 11th edition problem.
Go fund me!
Yeah, please help us now. But yeah, let us know down below if you like the list, if you didn't like the list, or if you're one of the 3 people that watched the Codex review and you're like, no, you got this wrong too, because that actually really helps, and I really enjoy reading those comments.
You really enjoy being wrong?
Well, no,
I've met you as a person.
No. I'm incredibly competitive. I'm also very good at holding myself accountable. If somebody goes, you're wrong, here's the evidence, I go, you're absolutely right. I'm sorry, I'll be better next time.
That's not true.
Okay, well, so
where's the evidence?
I am unwilling to take that from you, who literally doesn't know Oath of Moment 2 years in.
I know it. I know it. I just forget it. I know it's there.
No.
I'm like SpongeBob when I'm running around. Where's the Oath of
Dreadful. But yeah, words. Let us know down below. If you want to buy some Leagues of Votann of your own, please click the links.
If you fancy yielding.
Yeah, yield these links. That's what we're saying. And then if you'd like to generate yield points and pay them to us, you can join this list of Kieran's on the left-hand side. That would be absolutely wonderful. Yeah, Votann are expensive. Probably a lot more expensive than I initially bargained on.
I think I'd take back some of my codex thing. I was like, this would be cheaper now.
Yeah.
I tell you what though, closing statement, it's definitely better than it was.
Yes and no.
I think if we'd have done this with the index, I think it would have been eye-opening.
Yeah, I don't know, it just would have been a very boring list.
Maybe it would have been the same, but there would have just been lots of the same thing. It would have been 60 small dwarves in...
Maybe. Yeah, I mean, again, I tried to include some of the things I liked, but it just didn't work out.
Yeah.
Just didn't work out.
All right, that'll close out this video.
Peace and love.